Peace of mind on the road and water requires preventative maintenance for your boat and trailer. In this clip, Ryan Walt will show how to properly load a grease cartridge into a grease gun so that you're ready to lubricate trailer bearings and boat motor grease fittings.
Hi, my name's Ryan with the Pennsylvania Fish and Boat Commission, and today we're going to show you how to change out a grease tube in a grease gun. First thing we're going to do, we have our grease gun here, we're going to swap out the grease. Going to turn it about a whole turn, loosen that up. Then we're going to make sure that we have the tab pulled all the way back and cocked in position. Sometimes there's a little silver tab right there. This one doesn't have that. Then once you have it all the way back, we're just going to go ahead, continue to turn the grease gun until it's off, and we're going to reach in, pull out our old grease. We're going to take our new grease, then we're just going to take the top off, pull that off. You can see the grease in there. You can see this side. That's what we're going to open up last. Once we have this, just go ahead and I'm going to drop the canister back in. We have it drop back in. Then you see this tab. Going to go ahead, pull up, open up the top of the grease. Now we're ready to screw this back on. All the way till it's tight. Back it off a half turn. Now we're going to drop this back in. Pull that till it's straight. Then we can push this all the way back in. Finish tightening the grease gun. And if you're using the same type of grease, you're all done. But if you are swapping out between this grease and this, then you would actually have to go ahead and pump the grease gun until you get the new grease coming out. And that's how you go about putting in a new grease cartridge. This is Ryan with the Pennsylvania Fish and Boat Commission.